Notice and wonder is a strategy that I use often with my math class when we're trying to break down word problems. It gives the students an opportunity to analyze the different information that's in the word problem, and it gets them thinking about what they're wondering, what they're questioning. It also allows students a chance to bounce ideas off of one another and just really listen to what others are saying. The following clip that you're going to see is an example of a notice and wonder in my class. And then after you complete a whole group discussion, you have the students break off into small groups or into pairs, and they continue to answer the question on their own time as you circulate the room. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, my friends.
Good morning, Rosie.
All right, we are going to look at a notice and wonder problem today. I'm going to read it out loud 2 times, and I want you to listen and think about what you notice and what you wonder. Zara buys 5 packages of orange juice boxes. She buys 5 packages of apple juice boxes. Each package of OJ contains 6 boxes. There are a total of 80 juice boxes. So I'm going to read it one more time, okay? And when you have something you notice or wonder, show me like this. Zara buys 5 packages of orange juice boxes. She buys 5 packages of apple juice boxes. Each package of OJ contains 6 boxes. There are a total of 80 juice boxes. So we are going to start with things that we notice. What do we notice? Yes.
Zara bought 5 packages of orange juice.
Okay, so Zara went to the store, and you're telling me she buys some OJ. Is there anything important about that that you want me to know? Gwen?
I think that every orange juice contains 6 boxes, and there's only 80 orange, and there's only orange boxes. Juice boxes.
So you notice that there's 6 boxes? In what? 6 boxes in what?
Orange juice.
Of orange juice. We need to break it down a little bit more. Lily?
That she has 80 the total of 80 combined got 80.
I want to go back up here, okay? So you're telling me there's 80 juice boxes. What are we missing? We're missing some important information. You're saying 6 boxes. What does that mean to me? James?
You need to know how much of the apple juice is in each package.
So is that something you notice or something you wonder?
I wonder.
Okay, so James is wondering how many apple juice
Is there?
boxes are there? That's what he's questioning. There's some information that we haven't hit upon yet. We didn't break down everything. So there's some more information in here that we need to notice. Jace?
I was going to say, I wonder if this is division, multiplication, subtraction, addition.
So you're trying to figure out what operations to use. Okay, let's go back. I want to read this one more time to you, and I want you to see if there's any more noticings. Zara buys 5 packages of orange juice boxes. She buys 5 packages of apple juice boxes. Each package of orange juice contains 6 boxes. There are a total of 80 juice boxes. So far, you've told me there's 80 juice boxes. And you talked about 6 boxes of orange juice, but you're missing a detail in that sentence. Layla?
The 5 packages of orange juice.
So you're looking up here and you realize, oh, there's 5 packages. What does the 6 boxes mean to us? There's still one more thing we're missing. Hainsley?
There's 6 boxes with orange juice
Inside of a box?
Wait.
I'm going to repeat what you said to me, and I want you to look at the sentence. You said there's 6 boxes inside of one orange juice box. Is it a box? Package. So there are 6 boxes of OJ in one package. How many packages do we have of orange juice? Shout it.
5.
We have 5 packages of orange juice, and we know in each package there are 6 boxes. There's still one more piece of information that we are missing for our noticing. Gwen?
There's 5 packages of apple juice.
5 packages of apple juice. Okay. I want to read it one more time, and I want you to let me know if there's anything else that we're missing. Zara buys 5 packages of orange juice boxes, and she buys 5 packages of apple juice boxes. Each package of orange juice contains 6 boxes. There are a total of 80 juice boxes. So this is what you noticed. There's 5 packages of orange juice. There's 5 packages of apple juice. In one package of orange juice, how many boxes are there?
6.
There are 6. And then we know there's 80 juice boxes total. So your questions, James said, how many apple juice boxes are there? We know how many packages there are, but do we know how many boxes there are total? Okay, and then Jace, I believe, was asking about the operations to use. Should we try multiplication, division, addition, subtraction? Does anyone else have another question that when they look at this, they're wondering? Corey?
I wonder if the total amount of apple juice are in the 1st place or in the 10th place.
So you're wondering what place value we will be in. Can you please sit up, buddy? Are there any other questions we wonder? Gwen?
How to equal to 80.
Say that one more time.
How to equal to 80.
So what operation are we going to use to get up to 80?
Multiplication.
Is that what your prediction is? You're thinking maybe multiplication. I actually have do you have a question, Aim? No? Are you sure? Okay. I have a question. I'm noticing that there's 5 packages of orange juice, and in one package there are 6 boxes. Does anyone have a question about the orange juice? I wonder if they can match my question. So we have 5 packages of orange juice, and in one package there are 6 boxes. What do you think I'm wondering?
That our orange juice, there's 5 packages and there's 6 boxes in that, and then when you go to apple juice, it's the same thing. So I'm predicting that it's probably 6 times 6.
So there's 6 boxes in one package. What question do you think could help us figure out about 5 packages? My question is, do we know how many boxes of orange juice there are total?
No.
We know how many boxes there are in one package, but how many packages do we have?
5.
5. Does anyone have a question for what we could write on the wonder? Go ahead.
I wonder how many juice. I wonder how many boxes of OJ there are.
We don't know how many boxes of OJ there are. We only know that there's 5 packages, and in one package there are 6 boxes. Do you have a question? Do we have all of the noticings and wonderings that are happening in our brain right now? Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm going to put you with partners, and you're going to work on the back sheet of a paper I give you to try and solve this problem. Now, what we need to know is that there's going to be multiple steps that you are going to have to do in order to get to the answer. It's not going to be just one step. This is a multi-step word problem. Okay? All right, we are going to move into small groups. As you can see from the video, it definitely takes a lot of time to go through a notice and wonder strategy with your class. It is going to be so worth it in the end. I want to encourage that when you do one in your classroom, that you try and lead them towards guided questions and you don't necessarily give them the answer. You want them to come up with it on their own and just lead them to that point. This is a great strategy to use to encourage collaboration and creative thinking, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video and use it in your own classroom. Thanks.